Hello and welcome to this new video on how to buy Ethereum or ETH on MetaMask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your MetaMask interface, and when you have accessed the interface, you just have to scroll down to the bottom and there will be list of things. So you just have to click on import tokens and a pop-up box will appear and there will be two different sections. They are source and custom tokens. So you just have to click on the source section. And inside the source section, there will be source bar. So you just have to click on the source bar and type ETH and Ethereum will be shown to you. And you just have to click on the Ethereum. And after that, you just have to click on the next button that is on the bottom of the import token section. So just click on the next button. And again, there will be two different buttons, that is back and import. So you just have to click on the import button and the Ethereum will be imported to your wallet. And after that, you just have to scroll to the up once more and there will be different button on the different buttons on the navigation bar. You just have to click on buy and sell and you will be redirected to your MetaMask portfolio on the next web page. Now you just have to enter or set up your location of where you are currently living in, and after that you just have to select the payment method, and when you have selected the payment method, you just have to scroll down and there will be a continue button. You just have to press on the continue button, and when you have finished setting up payment method, you will be able to buy Ethereum on MetaMask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.